Hey folks, a lot of rain across the valley right now, especially the western half of the valley. That's certainly heavier than what's in the eastern half, but everybody's getting something at the moment, and some of it's coming down pretty hard. And mixed within that up to the north of us, there are a few snowflakes already. I got some reports from Hebronville a while ago, some snowflakes there up here in the northern part of the viewing area. Off to the west in the mountains, some snow as well. You take a look, and this is what we expect. I think the far western edge of the valley, from about Roma westward, I think you may see a period of just snow late tonight, after midnight, and early tomorrow. All the way down to about San Manuel to maybe La Jolla, snow with a little rain mixed in during the overnight hours. East of that, I think it's probably rain with a little snow mixed in. The other way around, and you get to the coast and it's mostly rain. So you can see how the breakdown is. It goes from snow to rain quickly as it moves across the area, but everybody should see at least a few snowflakes, probably even a few at the coast as well. Now, whether it accumulates, that's tough to say. There could be as much as a couple of inches in the western part of the valley, Starr County, and then northwestward from there. Again, the farther west you go, the more likely you are to see it accumulate up to 2 inches. Again, your wind chills 25 to 30. That's valley-wide. Up to an inch possible, eastern part of the valley, but again, the farther west you are, if you're back here, you're more likely to see that. If you're closer to the coast, less likely to see it, but I think still you'll see some flakes pretty much everywhere. This is our high resolution future track, and look what it does overnight. It says that by midnight, 1 o'clock in the morning, we're seeing the stuff spread eastward across the area. That's quick. Yeah, but I think either way, overnight stuff moves in, and some places could see those accumulations we're talking about. 5 in the morning, it's still around. Again, some snowflakes mixed in with light rain and drizzle. And by 11 a.m., it's all off the coast. And what's left, the line of clouds starts to break west to east, and by afternoon, we're back to sunshine. Once sun takes over, skies clear out. It'll be a cold start on Saturday morning, and then we bounce back with sunshine on Saturday. Once the sun comes back, it'll be with us for a while. So a damp, cold morning tomorrow. A chance of rain at 50%. It, again, ends from west to east as the day goes on. Then we're dry after that. Here are the latest temperatures, and they're going down as we speak. 40 in Rio Grande City, 41 in Weslaco, 44 in Port Isabel right now. Add the wind in, and this is what it feels like. Feels like it's in the low to mid 30s. That's why that wind chill advisory goes in effect later as those numbers go down even more. Forecast lows across the area tonight. Everybody above freezing, but not by very much. I don't think anybody in the valley proper reaches freezing. So as long as we keep that bottom layer above 32 for a while, that means a snowflake that falls tries to melt, and a few might get through, but most melt on the way down. Tomorrow we warm up, but not that much. 50 in the west, upper 40s in the east. Still a chilly day across the area. The normal high is 74. We're not going to get back to that anytime soon. Over the weekend, sunshine gets us back to 66. Bigger picture, well, look at Texas. We've got snow in the hill country. We've got snow and some in Austin even, a few reports of snowflakes there, but certainly back into the hill country, a fair amount of it. Temperatures are cold enough. 30 in Abilene, 33 in Austin, 37 in San Antonio right now. It is a cold night across the state. If you're headed to the coast, the beach, maybe not the best idea, and the boat, a terrible idea. Northwest winds 26, a gale warning's in effect. UV index is low, rip current risk is very high. Temperatures all day in the 40s tomorrow at the coast. Gale warning again in effect. There are your tides, not that they matter. Seas 10 to 14 feet with rough bay waters. So a few snowflakes mixed in tonight. Best chance west. In the east, you'll probably see a few as well. They'll just be more widespread in the western part of the valley. 35 for your low. Then tomorrow back up to 49 with some drizzle and a little snow mixed into the morning, and then a brighter afternoon as things finally wind down. Tomorrow 49, the weekend, I think both days we see sunshine, but a cold start Saturday. Could be some frost on Saturday. Keep an eye out for that. And then we warm up a little bit, but not all that much. Look at next week, 70 to 73 with partly sunny skies. But tonight, tomorrow, best chance for some wintry precipitation we've seen probably since the winter of 2004. That's your updated First Warn 5 forecast.